Okay students, let's go to the next question. Question number 101. Let me read the question first. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. Is the question now. The alternatives are coal is to black implies chalk is to what? Is the question here. This question is asked in SSC JE 1 March 17 in 4-month session. The options are option A porous, option B white, option C brittle and option D soft. Actually, the options when you look at the options clearly, it is like the properties of a chalk piece. It is given that porous, white, brittle and soft. The first three options are the properties of a chalk piece. Fourth option is not a property of a chalk piece because a chalk piece will not look soft. It will look smooth. There is a difference between soft and smooth. Smooth means the surface. Soft means the whole material. So the chalk piece is not soft, it is smooth. However, this is not the answer here. So these three options are the properties of a chalk. So the question is coal is to black implies chalk is to what? Here, if you look at this closely, coal is to black. They have given a single property of a coal in terms of color. So the color of a coal is black. Therefore, that's the relation between them. So they are asking the color of a chalk piece. This is how we have to understand the question. So the color of a chalk piece is obviously white. The other two options are not correct answer. So the answer for 101st question is option B white. Let's move on to the next question 102. This question is asked in SSC JE 29th January 2018 afternoon session. We have now come to the 2018 paper. This question is asked in afternoon session. From the given alternative words, select the word which cannot be formed using the letter of the given word. So they have given a word. Wavelength. From the given option, you have to select a word which cannot be formed using the alphabets of this word. Okay, can you understand the question clearly? The options are wheat, wallet, halve and given. These are the options, and you can clearly see that all the other options A, B, C have the alphabets which wavelength also has, but in the given last option I is not there in the wavelength. So the word given cannot be formed using the word wavelength. So option D is the answer. Option D given. The next question. Question number 103. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. And this is easy question. There is a series of words given here. Stern, startle, steep, storm and stick. These are the options given here. You have to arrange these words in a manner they occur in the dictionary. You look at this clearly. S, T, A will come in a dictionary before everything. So this is the thing which is going to come first. The next which will come, there is E here and there is E here also. So look at the next alphabet of that. There is 2 E's here. So this will come 2 second, and this will come obviously as a third, and the storm S-T-O-S-T-I is there. You have to check it out whether S-T-I will come before or S-T-O will come before. Obviously S-T-I will come before O. So this is the option and this is the one 5th. So it will come in the order 2, 3, 1, 5, 4. This is the order. Check it out. Is there any option in this manner? 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4? Yes, there is obviously that. Option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Let us move on to the 104th question. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. The same question, but the options are changed. Shapely, shoddy, shelve, short and sharp. Few options are given below, and with that you have to select in the same manner. And in this question, in this same question, SHA will come before, and after that there are two things with starting with SHA, SHAP and SHAR. So P will come before A, so first option will come first, and fifth option will come the next, and third will come after those options, because SHE is there. And after that there are two options containing SHO and SHO. You have to look at the next letter of this thing to get the order. SHOD will come before SHORT. So therefore the answer option is 15324, option C. Let's move on to the 105th question. The same question. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. The same year, SSC JEE, 29th January 18, afternoon session, and the order is reality, receptive, rebound, realism, realize. And obviously I know how to arrange these words, and you people know how to arrange these words. So after arranging, you will get the answer as 41532. It is the option here, option 2. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 106. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternative. There is an odd word in the given alternative. You have to select which is the odd one from the alternatives. This question is asked in SSC JEE 29th January 18, afternoon session. The series is rice, option A, option B, wheat, option C, maize, and option D, potato. And anyone knowing about crops and vegetables, even a 6th standard child can solve this question. And the option is answer D, potato. Why potato is the odd word? Because all the other things are crops and potato is a vegetable. So obviously vegetable is the answer here. Let us move on to the 107th question. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternatives. You have to select the related words from the given alternative. Temperature is to degree. Area is to what? Is the question. So what are the options followed by? Option A, watt. Option B, hectare. Option C, kilogram, and option D, ampere. This is the question. And when we are trying to find the logic between the first pair, temperature and degree, how are they related? Yeah, you are right. Temperature is measured in the unit degree. We will say like 274 degree, like that. It denotes that it's a temperature of the thing there. It may be any of the thing, temperature of fire. Obviously, it tells about the temperature. And let us find the answer for area. So temperature is measured in degree. What is area measured? That is generally this question is about. Okay, what is area is measured, and let us see the options. Option A, watt. Option D, hectare. Option C is kilogram. Option D is ampere. And obviously you know what is measured about power, and here is the second one, hectare, and you can clearly see that area is measured in hectare. So this may be the option. It is not kilogram. Kilogram is the weight, and it's not ampere also. So hectare will be the answer for measuring the area. So the answer option is option B, hectare. Let us move on to the 108th question. This question is asked in SSC JEE 29th January 2018, afternoon session, the same paper. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives. There is a given alternative there. We have to find the related pair for that question. Option A, hospital is to bed. Option B, judge is to court. Option C, shop is to selling. Option D, prison is to convict. Actually, I have to explain this question. This is a really funny question. Let us go again. School is to student is the question here. School is to student implies question mark. And options are hospital is to bed. Option B, judge is to court. Option C, shop is to selling. Option D, prison is to convict. As I said it earlier, this is a funny question. Actually, why is this a funny question? School is to student, and I will say the answer before saying the logic. The answer is prison is to convict. I will say the logic here. How a student suffers in a school, in the same way a convict. Who is a convict? The person who has committed a mistake is called a convict. A convict suffers in the prison. That is the logic here. Actually, I am just kidding, guys. That may be also a logic, but the real logic here is a student goes to learn academics in his school, and a prisoner, after committing mistakes, he goes to learn about how to improve his life. So you can get it in any ways. However, for you to remember for a long time, a student, how a student feels when he is going to school is the same way a convict feels when he goes to prison. It's really fun, isn't it? Okay, guys. Let's move on to the 109th question. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternatives. It's the same question like above question, and the relation here is smash is to badminton. Badminton is the question here, and let us see the options below. Board is to chess, bowled is to cricket, ball is to golf, stick is to polo. These are the options here, and when you look at the relation between the first two words, that is a smash is to badminton. Smash is to badminton implies what is smash? What is the relation between smash and badminton? Actually, smash is a type of shot played in badminton. So we have to similarly find the type of used in this game. So when you check out the option A, board is to chess. Actually, board is not a type of chess. Board is a thing which is used to play chess. In the same way, ball is a thing used to play golf, and stick is a thing used to play polo. But in the option 2 alone, bowled is a type of cricket. Bowled, the player is bowled. Sachin Tendulkar is bowled, which means it is a type, like how smash is related to badminton, bowled is related to cricket. And however, if it is difficult for you to understand, check out the other options. In the other options are too far away from this relation, because board is to chess, and polo is to stick, and golf is to ball. They are the materials used to play, and this is a type. So I hope you can understand it now. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 110. In an exam hall, 5 students are sitting in a row. Z is between V and X. Y is immediately behind X and V. X and V is the first. Who is sitting second last is the question. And I think this is one of a good question in SSC JEE. When comparing to the previous question we have solved now in SSC JEE, I would say this is a good question in SSC JEE. It's like a logical thinking. This question is absolutely based on logical, and we will see. In an exam hall, there is a 5 students. You can write there is 5 students. Read the instructions clearly. In a row, they are sitting in a row. there may be questions like they are sitting in a circular manner, but in this way they are sitting in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the order. Z is between V and X is the thing given here. So it is very clear that V Z X or X Z V will come. These things will come either in this order or this order, because they are mentioned that Z is between V and X. However, Z is going to come between V and X, but we don't know in which place these things are going to come. Okay, can you understand? And the next thing is Y is immediately behind X. It is clear that Y is immediately behind X is the next mentioned clue here. So Y may come here or Y may come here, because immediate next is only possible in this direction. In this direction, Z is next to X, it is given in the first condition, and here also not possible. So V is the first. They have mentioned that in this row V will be sitting first. Is the claim here. So look at these both options where V is sitting first, in the first option only. So there is not possible for this option to come, because however V is going to sit first. So you can just replace this order here. V, Z, X, Y. These are the mentioned condition, and that's it, the condition. They did not give who is sitting here. This is the last place. We don't know who is sitting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't know who is sitting here. They did not mention. Who is the sitting second last is the question they have asked. The options are Y, W, X, Z. And can you know which is the answer? It is obviously right. Y may be the answer. This is from the second last. Option A. Is X is sitting in the middle, Z is sitting in the second place. It is not sitting in the second last. And W. You people may think, sir, W is not given in the question. It is an advantage for us. If W is not given in the question, there is no possibility for W to sit last. So Y is only sitting last. Can you understand this question? I have explained very simply. If you didn't understand this question, you can just rewind the video and watch it again. Okay. So the answer is option A, Y. So let us move on to the 111th question. Let us move on to the 111th question. A series is given with one term missing. So there is a series in which one term is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. Here is the series. Let us see which is the series. MOL, FHE, YAX, REQ. And this question is asked in 29th January 2018 forenoon session. And the options are SNA, KMJ, BZF, KTF. And I have already mentioned it in previous questions also, guys, but I am again saying it. If these type of alphabet questions are asked, you have to write alphabets A to Z initially, numbering 1 as A and Z as 26. Up to that, we have to write in a perfect order, like 5 things in a row. A to E as 5, starting from A as 1 and up to Z in these many rows. So if you write that in that way, it will be easy for you to solve. And let us find the logic between the first thing, MOL. What is the logic here? O comes after 2 places after M, so it is plus 2. And L comes, what is the relation between O and L here? L comes minus 3 places before O. Am I right? Yeah. Like that, if you check the logic for each and everything, the logic will be here plus 2 minus 3, plus 2 minus 3 and plus 2 minus 3. In the same way, you have to choose an option which comes with the same logic, plus 2 and minus 3. And if you check clearly, the option will be KMJ. K comes plus 2M and minus 3J. So the option is option B, KMJ. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 112. A series is given with one term missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. That's the claim here. And I am saying the previously asked question in this question paper is about 200 question. I think accurately it will be 210 question. With all of this question, the question now I am going to teach is the difficult question. So listen it carefully. This thing has different logic. This thing has different logic than the other question. The logic differs, the number of steps in the question differs, everything differs, and this is the difficult question. Note this question as difficult. There will be questions like this also. This question actually takes time to solve. Okay. Question number 112. There is a series given and you have to find the logic. The series is NADI, QCGK, TEJM, WGMO. This is the question here. And as I told you earlier, write ABCD up to Z. Number them up to starting from 1 to 26. And it's over. Now let us try to find the logic. NADI. Initially, look at the position of N. Where is N? N is in 14th position. You have to find the logic for each and everything differently in this question alone. Obviously, in the before question, if the logic of first thing is something like +2 -3, and the other questions also have the same logic. But in this question alone, the logic differs. Look at me closely. We can write everything here. GK, TE, JM, WG, MO is the claim here. NADI, look at the position of N. N is in 14th place. 14. A is in first place. D is in 4th place. And I is in 9th place. Just solve this thing. 14 on what's the difference? The difference is 13. So since it is reducing from N to A, it is -13. And if you get A to D, it is increasing +3. And here D to I, it is again increasing, it is +5. And the check and again check the logic between Q and C. Q is in 17th position. C, what about C? C is in 3rd position. G is in 7th position and K is in 11th position. And check out this logic again. What's the difference between 17 and 3? It's 14. Since it is decreasing, it is in minus. About 3 and 7, it is 4. Am I right? Yeah, it is 4. It's +4. And what about this? 7 and 11, it is increasing to +4. Okay. And let's move on to the next one. TEJM. This is the thing you have to note. TEJM. What is T? T is in 20th position. E is in 5th position. J is in 10th position. And M is in 13th position. Find the difference again here. 15. And if you could see the difference between these two things and these two, they are not the same. Here, the first one is increasing to -1, and second one is increasing to +1. Third one is decreasing to +4. So like that, it must increase and decrease, and it must follow the same order. Difference between this is +5. The difference between this plus 3. Note down this. WGMO. W is in 23rd position. G is in 7. And M is in 13. O is in 15. And check the difference here again. This is minus 16. This is plus 6. This is plus 2. And look this. So the next word, the series completer must be, the first letter of the thing must be here minus 17. Minus 17. The difference between first two must come as minus 17. The difference between second two must come as plus 7 because it is increasing here. Okay, can you understand? It must come as plus 7, the second difference. The third difference must come as plus 1 because this is also decreasing here from plus 5, plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1 must come. So if you check the options which has the same difference, you can find it, and you try it yourself each and every option. I am going to directly solve the thing, and the first one is ZIPQ is the option, and you check out the difference between Z and I. Z is in 26th position, I is in 9th position. 26 and 9. The difference is obviously 17, minus 17. Is it correct? Yeah. I and P. What is the P's position? 16. The difference between this is plus 7. And P and Q, they are the next letters. The difference between this is plus 1. And this one comes in the same logic with the question. And therefore, this is the option for this. The option for question number 112 is option B, ZIPQ. And again, I have explained this very clearly. If you can see this also. If you can't understand something in this, please go in the video. I have mentioned it clearly. You can understand that when you watch it for the second time. So let's move on to the 113th question. This question is asked in SSC JEE 29th January 2018 forenoon session. A series is given with one term missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. And the series mentioned here is LSQ. LSQ, IPN, FMK, CJH. If you look at each and everything, if you find the logic like M, L and S, the difference between them is plus 7, and S and Q, the difference between is S 17 minus 2. So it will, every option will follow the same logic. So you must look at the option which follows the same logic is the answer here obviously. So option D, ZGE follows the same logic. That ZGE comes with plus 7 and minus 2 logic. Clear guys? Let's move on to the 114th question. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. So it's like the previous question, we have solved many, and I will just read the alternatives and the answer. Parade, parson, partial, parry, parish is the options here, and if you solve the dictionary order, you will get the option as option B 15423. This is the answer for this. You can obviously solve and see. So I am moving on to the next question. Question number 115. Arrange the given words in a sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. The same question. And the sequence is half hand, ointment, observed, occupy, and odyssey. And this also, if you write down each and every word and just rearrange it, you can find the dictionary order easily. I will again say the answer and move on to the next question, because these are easy question. If I am solving each and every question, we can't complete the all previous questions. So these some easy questions. This doesn't need any clue or thing. You just have to use your brain and solve this. The answer for this is 34512. Option B is the answer. The next question also is same in the dictionary order. It is 116th question, SSC JEE 26th January 18, 4 noon session it is asked. The first one is mediate, second one medicine, third one menace, fourth one merchant, and fifth one memento. These are the things, and the answer for this is they are already arranged in a dictionary order. That's the thing, and the answer is option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Let's go on to the next question, 117. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. That is some order, and we have to take the odd word out. This question is also asked in January 29th, 2018 4 noon session. And the options are option A hockey, option B football, option C cricket, option D chess. When you look at this options closely, except chess, all the other games are outdoor games and chess is an indoor game. So this may be the odd option here. That's it. Let's go on to the next question. Question number 118. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. This is the claim here, and we have to select which word is the odd word. Planet Earth, game tennis, body organ heart, up and down. And this is just an easy question, easy interesting question. This question is in the logic. We have to find the logic between each options to eliminate the odd option. The logic is initially general thing is said like planet, game and body organ, and there is an example given for each of the thing. For planet the example is earth, for game the example is tennis, for body organ heart is an example. But look at the option D, up to down. Is down is an example for up? Is there any chances for that? No, obviously not, because those both things are antonyms. So the odd word must be option D. Let's move on to the 119th question. In the following question, select the odd word from the given alternative. This question is asked in the same paper, 29th January 2018 4 noon session. And the options are option A grey, option B black, option C dyeing, option D is orange. Actually this thing is based on dyes and colors. Dyes means hair dye, that thing. The first option, second option and fourth option are the colors of dye, but the third option is dye itself. So it may be the wrong odd option. Can you understand this? I hope so. So can we move to the next question? Okay. Question number 120. In the following question, select the related word from the given alternatives. And again, it's an verbal analogy question. Animals is to zoo implies car is to what? Option A garage, option B flanger, option C automatic, and option D red. I think you can easily figure out this analogy question. It is given that animal is to zoo. Where animals will be? Animals will be in zoo. Then where a car will be there? A car will be there in a flanger? No. A car will be there in an automatic? No. And it means where will be there means the place where a car can be parked. Is a car will be in red? This all explains about that features like automatic and red. But animal is to zoo is the animals are placed in zoo. So where is a car will be placed? A car will be placed in a garage. That's the answer here. Option A garage is the option. So let's move on to the 121st question. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives. Is the question. Same alternative questions are repeating, guys. You have to be careful. You have to prepare for this. Horse is to gallop implies dash. This is an good question. Actually, it explains something different. And the options are bird is to fly, lion is to roar, tiger is to carnivorous, cat is to kitten. This is the thing. And before selecting the answer option, you have to know what is the meaning of a gallop. Horse is to gallop. You need to find the logic here. You have to know what is mean by gallop. Gallop is the pace of a horse. What do you mean by pace? The speed. The speed at which the horse travels is known as gallop. So it is actually a movement of horse. So we have to look at for the options below in this relation. Option A, bird is to fly. Option B, lion is to roar. Option C, tiger is to carnivores. And option D, cat is to kitten. See, except the option A, all the things are out of order. Like lion is to roar. Roar is the sound of a lion. It is not the movement of lion. And tiger is to carnivores. Carnivores means meat eaters. Actually, it's not the movement of a tiger. It's a type about their vegetation. Fourth one is cat is to kitten. Kitten is the baby of cat is known as kitten. So the only option bird is to fly says the movement of a bird. That's it, guys. So this is the answer here. Bird is to fly is the answer. Okay, guys. Let's move on to the 122nd. This question is asked in SSC JEE 29th January 2018 4-1 session. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives. Alternatives are color is to rainbow. Color is to rainbow implies what? Option A, food is to grain. Option B, army is to post. Option C, galaxy is to universe. Option D, thief is to jail. Thief is to jail. If you look at the options carefully, color is to rainbow. What is color is to rainbow? Actually, color is to rainbow means rainbow has different colors. In the same way, universe has galaxies. So that's the logic. So the option is option 3. Let's go on to the next question. Question number 112. From the given alternative words, select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given words. It's the same question, and the question here is cosmonaut. Options are option A, coast. Option B, scant. Option C, tacos. And option D, sauce. You have to check the alphabets of cosmonaut initially, and you have to check the answer option which doesn't have the alphabets in cosmonaut, because with that option only you can't find you can find the word which cannot be formed using cosmonaut. And the answer option is sauce, because the letter E in sauce is not present in the cosmonaut. So that's the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 124. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. The same arrangement question, and I hope you guys will do it. I'll just read out the answer here. Before reading the answer, I'll read out the options. Option 1, heinous. Option 2, heavy. Option 3, hearted. Option 4, heaven. Option 5, hefty. And the answer here is option C, 42513. That is the order in which the words come in dictionary. And the next question is also a dictionary question. Lucid, lunge, lucrative, lurch and loyalty. The option is option A. You can do it that also by yourself. It's an easy question. And the next question is also the same dictionary order question. Muted, mystic, mutual, mutiny and myth. The same old thing. You have to arrange it. The answer for this is 14325. That's option B.